Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to log into your SBFC Gold Loan account. If you're new to SBFC's online services, this video will guide you through the process step by step. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to SBFC's login page. To do so, search for SBFC Gold Loan login in the search bar. And now, click on this link. Once you're in the website, enter your mobile number. You can also choose ENAC, that is Electronic National Automated Clearing House, to do your payments and top-ups. After entering your number, simply click on the login button and you'll be able to access your account. And just for the further assistance for logging in or using SBFC's account, you can reach out to their customer care from here. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on how to access your SBFC Gold Loan account. I hope you found this video helpful. So please leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you.